Ki Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Ka Harijan Panchayat Committee kelapan por sakat Sngi na ka Sorkar jela bani penbej hakabide bagajing Kynriah no ikilai spa sapu adli kilong yeng na them yo molong. Ya kini la pentip lu sembut menteri ramba ke jela bas nyau balang dhar bepetru ya ketana penroisor hadim belawai ke jingalang bagi no lam jang Harijan Panchayat Committee hakish potri unailar arajar phosau. Uba dhar loong bakani kende ke jing aipor ke bakhadu jang ka Sorkar ya ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ba ka Sorkar ru kan ampediang shu la daga ke committee kan panpor biang sa shiwat hadin kene ban shim ya karai. Shushu le thoru ba ka Harijan Panchayat Committee kala penpaw ke jingalang ba kala minjur ya ke blueprint bla terwar ka Sorkar jela.
Actually, I would like to inform today we are a very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee. And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as GBC. And we from the government side, we are agree to give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very positive thing. I would like to inform. Yes, decision may be the last 2 days. We should be the last today, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from today's itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision. Good offer, you know very well, because we haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no for the decisions. So because everything blueprint is there. But they need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days, you will be getting a final decision from them. Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint. No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they will please give us. We need some few higher organization, the PanGBT only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today. No more, they may communicate it only. Either if there's a meeting, no problem, we can have a meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days, we will finalize everything. Just count for 15 days, what? Maybe 26, 27 only. The discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee. There will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's totally their responsibility fully.
See, we had long discussions on the relocation issue of Yabi Lane. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days, then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized. See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.